This jump demonstration shows how to analyze data from a simple bias study. We'll use the data on this page. 5 parts were measured 3 times each by 2 different gauges. One gauge is destructive but has much lower variability than the other. We'll compare the bias between the gauges. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Quality and Process, Variability/Attribute Gauge Chart. Y is the response. Y2 is the standard. It's the true value of the part as measured by a destructive gauge. Part is the grouping variable, and I'll click OK. I'll click the red triangle and select Gauge Studies, then Linearity Study. Both the graphical and numeric analyses show that the bias increases as the nominal value of the part increases. The increase does not appear to be linear.